How to turn on or turn off hearing aid compatibility for phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on keypad and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on other call settings. After click on other call setting, you will see hearing aid compatibility is here. If you want to turn on hearing aid compatibility, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see hearing aid compatibility is turned on. If you want to turn off hearing aid compatibility, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see hearing aid compatibility is turned off. You will turn on or turn off hearing aid compatibility from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off hearing aid compatibility for phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.